great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Yukon XL AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. Our driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon XL comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, electric park brake, lane departure warning, park assist, auto stop start, traction control, hill descent control, the 360-degree camera, head-up display button and information tab, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, along with the integrated trailer brake controller. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power folding rear seats, the power liftgate button where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, the power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. Up next is GMC's infotainment center equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our audio and Bluetooth controls, shortcut buttons down the left including our trailering app and Google Maps. There we go. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. Surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. This button here is for hitch view. Electronic precision shifting to the left, the hard buttons for the infotainment screen, tri-zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, USB ports and a power plug-in. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in our center console here where we have some additional USB ports and a removable organizer tray. Starting at the front of the AT4, we have that really unique front end, red tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting, keyless entry, keyless start, and remote start. As we make our way toward the very back here, we have the power liftgate. Using our key fob here, we're able to open just that top glass portion or the entire liftgate altogether. I've pushed the button twice to pop that entire liftgate open. Plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the power folding second and third row seats, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. Our passenger door has power door locks, power windows, a chrome door handle, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets along with our rear dual seatback display entertainment system where you're able to watch your phone, follow along on the navigation, and lots of other neat features. dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row bucket seats, USB, HDMI, and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle. We also have power folding second row seats, so by pushing this button to the back, we fold those second row seats down with ease. Pulling this seat release on the back here will lift that rear seat up so that we have easy access to the third row. Our third row has 3 additional seats with USB-C plug-ins and cup holders on both sides. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Yukon XL AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.